You've heard it before. Outwork everyone. Sleep less. Grind while they rest. If you're not exhausted, you didn't try hard enough. It sounds powerful. It sounds disciplined. It sounds like the mindset of winners. But what if the mindset that sounds the most motivational is quietly destroying your success? What if the constant pressure you put on yourself isn't building your future, but burning it? Not every mindset that feels strong actually makes you stronger, and not every form of hard work leads to real success. There is a belief many ambitious people carry without realizing it. The belief that constant pressure equals progress. That if you are always busy, you are always improving. That if you are always stressed, you must be growing. That if you slow down, you are falling behind. This mindset is praised. It gets attention. It looks impressive from the outside. But internally, it creates something dangerous. It replaces clarity with urgency. It replaces strategy with emotion. It replaces sustainability with burnout. You start measuring your worth by how tired you are. You begin to believe exhaustion is proof of ambition. But exhaustion is not proof of effectiveness. Being busy is not the same as building. Success is not about how hard you push. It is about where you are pushing. Intensity without direction leads to wasted effort. You can run at full speed in the wrong direction and still feel productive. You can stay busy all day and move nowhere. When pressure controls you, decisions become emotional. You rush, you react, you chase quick wins instead of long-term gains. But real success requires something different. It requires reflection. It requires adjustment. It requires moments of pause. Exhaustion feels productive. Clarity creates results. The people who build lasting success are not the ones who never stop. They are the ones who know when to step back and think. There is a difference between discipline and self-punishment. Discipline is intentional. It is structured. It is sustainable. Self-punishment is emotional. It is driven by fear. It is fueled by comparison. When your work becomes a way to prove your worth, you stop building success and start chasing validation. You deny yourself rest. You ignore your limits. You feel guilty for slowing down. But sustainable success requires rhythm. Work, recover, evaluate, improve. Without recovery, your creativity fades, your patience disappears, your decision-making weakens. You may still be moving, but you are no longer growing. Burnout does not happen because you worked hard. It happens because you worked without awareness. Another hidden danger of this mindset is identity attachment. If your value is based on achievement, then failure feels like a personal attack. If your identity depends on winning, then losing feels like losing yourself. This creates fear. Fear of trying something new. Fear of making mistakes. Fear of slowing down. You begin to avoid smart risks. You become trapped in perfectionism. You protect your ego instead of expanding your potential. True confidence does not come from constant achievement. It comes from internal stability. You must separate who you are from what you produce, because success built on insecurity will always feel fragile. We live in a culture that glorifies speed, fast results, fast money, fast recognition. But meaningful success is rarely fast. It is slow, it is steady, it is built quietly. Quick success can impress people. Sustainable success changes your life. When you chase speed, you sacrifice depth. When you chase recognition, you sacrifice mastery. Burning fast looks powerful. Building steadily builds empires. Ask yourself this: do you want to look successful or actually become successful? Because those are two very different goals. There is a stronger mindset, not louder, not more dramatic, but wiser. Progress with awareness. Work hard but intelligently. Move fast but strategically. Aim high but stay grounded. Success is not built by chaos, it is built by control. Measure your progress by clarity, not exhaustion. Instead of asking, "Am I tired enough?" ask, "Did I improve? Did I learn? Did I refine my strategy?" Protect your energy like capital. Your energy is your focus. Your focus is your execution. Your execution determines your results. Don't waste your energy trying to prove something. Invest it where it multiplies. Redefine hard work. Hard work is not constant urgency. It is deep concentration. It is thoughtful execution. It is consistent improvement. And most importantly, build internal strength before chasing external success. Because external success without internal control leads to stress, fear, and instability. But when you are calm under pressure, confident without noise, disciplined without self-destruction, that is real power. Many capable people never reach their potential, not because they lack talent, not because they lack ambition, but because they confuse pressure with progress. They believe that the louder the grind, the greater the growth. But growth is often quiet. It happens in reflection. It happens in refinement. It happens in strategic patience. The strongest person is not the one who never rests. It is the one who knows when to pause. The smartest achiever is not the busiest. It is the one who builds sustainably. Real success is not about how hard you can push. It is about how long you can last. Because success is not a sprint fueled by emotion. It is a long journey powered by awareness. This mindset sounds motivational. It sounds fearless. It sounds unstoppable. But if it burns your clarity, if it destroys your balance, if it ties your worth to constant achievement, it will destroy your success. Choose strength over noise. Choose strategy over pressure. Choose sustainability over speed. Because success is not won by the loudest grind. It is built by the wisest mindset. The mindset that truly builds success is not the one that burns the brightest. It is the one that lasts the longest. And the real power move? Not pushing harder, but thinking smarter. Not moving faster, but moving with purpose. That is how you build success that doesn't collapse. That is how you build a life that doesn't burn out. And that is how you win, not just for a moment, but for a lifetime.